we just got Nala and we just dropped her off. And we just got Pony off, baby, and we just dropped her off. We just got Nala and we found okay, Boston and put on the floor. And we just got her.
Well, where have you been?
We been to the ugly store.
To shopping?
No, to the ugly store.
To the ugly store?
Yeah.
What ugly store?
Our ugly store, because we are ugly. Cause
where did you go shopping?
We just went to baby at the store and there was baby and they're rocking a rat in a toy bag. But we just got to find something. And we just anything to the
Why are y'all here? Are you spending the night with someone?
Yeah.
Who?
Sarah.
And who else?
Grandma.
You're spending the night with Grandma?
Yep.
Why would you do that?
Because we wanted.
Wait a minute, come here. Come here. Why would you do that?
Take a photo.
Bye. Bye.
Hi.